Bafanas. So today we're back with another comedy. Yeah, with this Kia. You're about to react to Uskumba. Yeah, let's get on to it. Ki comedy, take flavor. There's no other better way of saying give flavor. Let's go into it. It's a comedy session. It's a comedy day. Subscribe to the channel.
Hey, hello! Sisi, uhlenda wena wrong. Wena nembele chin na wrong la. Wena alo umuntu umhayari la ngeke. Ngeke sisube muhle kanje uhamba nentenje. Phela uma kodwa introduce kubazali bakho bethi sibuthwele ubunzima. Umubi awuthemba umubi. Ngimubi mina ngiyazazi mara wena hayi yakhuphukela mntana sekhaya. Sisihlela kahle. Hlala vala mntana vala. Phela mangiperforma njalo manje. Muja ibheka into ekhona ukuthi lo ne full paint. Hlala phansi. Bhekani, sibheke ne-afro, hlala phansi. Buti, hlala phansi. Lincane lelo hembe, lincane. Uzositubula ngamakinobho, uzositubula. Ziningi into engizozisho namhlanje ezinganiphatha kabi from the bottom of my heart. I don't care, Shem. Yeah. Ubhekani. Ama-slay queen wasesekunda. Ne-wine cheap. Ne-inwele ey'vithikile. Ufaka iroko neleda ungakanani kanti. Okay, I'm not fucking. Wazala. Hey, wazala. Security. Wazotopa lesikoropa. Naku mama, oh, hey, tudla zangithanda. Idudla siya kuye. Bheka manje wenzani? Abantu bafuna ukuhlala phansi la wena. Sorry. Lezo zikhathi hips likrom lichifta iapartheid. Ngadlala. Kasi so jail suka. Zabona. Le hairstyle le kulenkinga. Usebenza apha ma? Pick and Pay. Esasol. Okay. Wenzani? Problem yekhomedi anyone. Mangakubuza question waphendula mina nawe sesingabangani. Wenzani Esasol? Uyacleana wenzani? We warehouse what? We warehouse. Hey, metrika masimbe sekunda. Uyini you warehouse mina. Scheduler. Oh, you schedule what is happening at the warehouse. Oh, we security. Where's the guy? Smart. I'm a warehouse scheduler. Schedule. We security love. Ukatinde ilahlekile nengalahlekanga. Scheduler, my love, scheduler. Let's hope we schedule a relationship yakho. And have fun tonight. So Sekunda, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for buying tickets. Thank you very much, Sekunda. Every time I come to Sekunda. Yes, every time I come to Sekunda, man, I have a great time. So today, I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna bring my friends. Ladies and gentlemen, the first guy I'm going to bring on stage all the way from Mpangeni. Yes, discovered this guy. He stutters for a living. 2 days ago, it was the World Stuttering Day. He didn't know whether to celebrate it or be miserable. And I said to him, you need to celebrate this shit because you are the only stuttering comedian I know, and that is very funny. So right now, here in Sekunda, Graceland, he's here. Orange. This side. Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, that was Kumba. Thank you very much for subscribing to Scale TV. We're back with more comedy. Thank God.